Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you can check out these links. You can join Telegram, check out the brokers, pay my fees, check out these links and help yourself. Okay. Coming back to the chart, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have the rejection, so we're going to go up. So you can see here, this is the weekly hammer, you could say. So this was your downtrend, then pullback, and then hammer. So, if we had to continue going down, this hammer would not have been created in the weekly, okay? Coming back to daily, what we got in daily, we are easily above the EMI. And if you I did not make the video on this one, but this was the entry candle. Okay, so it was in the middle of the week on Wednesday. Okay, I don't normally record videos during the week. I only do Sunday videos, but when I'm planning something bigger, you will see that maybe after 25 days I'm planning something for you people, for public. Okay, so in that case I will let's just keep it. I'm doing some testing in the back end. Okay, and I'll tell you guys after 25 days if that is for you or not. Okay, anyways, so in daily this was your candle, the hammer rejection from the EMA, and this was my entry, and then you go long. Okay, now we still are in the uptrend in this Euro USD. Coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour your entry shall be after the pullback. This is your uptrend, so pullback has to happen. This is your fib level, this is your Fibonacci. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the rejection until the EMA at least. Okay, so this is your uptrend. Wait for the pullback, then enter your long position after the after the blue candle comes. I think this should be your entry, by the way. Okay, because it was Friday. Okay, so this red candle which you see, these last two candles in 4 hour were on Friday. So Friday actually doesn't do any good to the market. So you see, this was the trend, the rejection, then this engulfing candle. So this was your supposed to be entry right here. Okay, but because it was Friday, so it messed up. So if it was Monday, you would have entered here and then you will go long. Okay, but anyways, this was your trend. Pullback has happened until the EMA. So if you zoom it, you see rejection, then rejection, and blue engulfing candle. So this is your entry, by the way. Okay, this whole downtrend is eaten by one single candle. This was my entry, and then this will be your profit. Okay, so if you want to get a 1:2 ratio, then you have to wait for another pullback. Otherwise, if you enter long right now, you can exit right here. Okay, so come back to daily. Let me see what we got in daily. In daily, we have a doji candle. You know what? Go and watch my GBP USD video, because these both pairs works the same way, and GBP has a more clear structure than this Euro USD. So I'm telling you, go and watch my GBP USD, because in GBP USD it's very clear what's going to happen. Okay, and then you can apply the same in Euro USD. But I'm looking for longs in Euro USD only after the pullbacks. And if you want to enter long for whatever reason, this is your exit point. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, and do all of that. And don't forget to watch my GBP USD to understand how Euro is going to go and perform. So yeah, go ahead, watch these videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.